Okay, the noises that you're about to hear is coming from the sky. I was reading the scriptures last night and the Spirit came over and said it would give me some new testimony. And basically that new testimony was this. It said that the strange sounds that you hear in the sky is that planet hell, Nibiru, wormwood, whatever you want to call it. It's the sound of that fiery planet coming. And so we're going to watch some videos and we're going to listen to that sound. And some sound like a roar and some sound like yells from hell. So that sounded like a train. This reminds me of that lion coming from the thicket. The destroyer of the Gentiles is on his way. You see how they're frantically looking for it? It said this planet is going to make a lot of noise when it comes. And I believe the explosions is coming from the planet. You see how they frantically looking around to see where the hell it come from, but they know it's coming from the sky because they keep looking in the sky. But they're not finding it because they can't see it yet. And this one is the most weary because it sounds like people yelling in hell. Seems like the planet is tilting or moving and these people are sliding in hell or something. Dreadful place, man. So they're looking around and they can't find where it's coming from, but they know it's coming from the sky. See how they all looking in the sky? Some tell me the tectonic plates of this damn planet constantly moves and it just roars and makes this sound all the time. And so this is Hawaii right here. And basically I wanted to play this because it's the closest thing that we have to that sound. And so the Spirit was telling me to go ahead and just do a video on the volcano so you could see or hear the closeness to that sound. So as you hear the lava, and that planet's on fire with lava and everything else, no tectonic plates is moving, but the earth is moving and it's making these weird sounds. And so I'm not here to convince anybody of nothing. You know, I'm told by the Spirit, and it ain't never wrong. And these people having dreams that they hearing crackling noises coming from the skies and stuff like that. You know, it would only make sense, you know, that, you know, this strange sound is coming from the incoming planet, Nibiru, hell, and I call it hell, planet hell. Strap the news.